What is up guys, and welcome back to another video. If you are new here, then hi, I am a final year student in B.tec Mechanical Engineering. Today's video going to another study vlog where I try to share my experience of practical examination and some role things happened during the online examination and continue my ESE preparation without any break. That weeks are super busy and exhausting ever gone. That's why I upload that video too late. Without any further, let's jump into the vlog. Good morning guys, I just woke up and it is 3:30 am in the morning. And drinking water. Doing meditation for relaxing my mind. After that, I make my breakfast and take a bath. In today's breakfast, I cook masala oats and ginger honey lemon tea with one small apple. After taking bath, I am eating my breakfast and reading some pages of 7 Habits of Highly Effective paper. So today our second practical examination of alternative energy source. So I am revising some experiment or some important topics that mainly ask in our internal examination. After first session, now it's time for running and try to running for 40 to 45 minutes, constant as much as possible. After completed running, I grabbed some vitamin C and enjoying the sun bath. Then I took bath and ate some sprouts and cucumber with green tea and continue my second session where I am revising one more time and note down some topics. Around 9:15 our practical exam will start and we can join that meeting turn by turn. So chatting with my friends and discussing what about the practical examination and how is the external faculties and which type of questions are asked. And note down all new questions and Google that and revising and making a figure. Now finally it's my turn. First time that browser asked my password for joining that meeting. And I couldn't remember what is the password. On that situation, my mind gone blank. Then I contact my professor and he is so kind. So he sent a joining link through mail. My practical exam gone excellent. because they ask about the solar steel system and how it works in the depth. That topic I revised just before my turn and making a small figure of working.
Thank you, sir.
After a long break, it is time for a first session where I am reading properties of fluid and taking notes. Then reading my current affair notes. Continued second session where I almost completed that properties of topic. After a long continuous session, it is time for a went to a terrace and feel that cold air and enjoying the sunset and having my dinner. Now it is time for making notes of current affairs. After completed current affairs session, it is time for a walk to near at my house. After coming back to home, it is time for 1 hour mathematics and aptitude session. After completing all tasks, it is time for a proper sleep. Thanks a lot for watching this video. If you really like that video, then smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. We will meet on a new other fresh video. As always, be happy, stay strong, let your dreams be your wings.